Right, so just a quick video. Everyone's doing alright. So this video is about a few ideas for some items to put in a large game trapping kit, with the intention of using these for kind of spear traps or kind of bow traps and things like that. If you had stuff like this in a kit, it would help you a lot, because it's one major part of a lot of traps but you wouldn't have to make. So I just thought I'd show you some ideas. I'll put some videos up after or whatever of some kind of traps that you could use these with. So obviously, you know, small game trapping, that will sustain you for a while, but you may need to trap large game, or that's all you may be able to get. So spear traps is one way of doing it. So some items are, these are just kind of improvised ideas for spear points or arrow points. So this first one, it's a large one, as you can see, compared to my hand. This was just, it was a kind of cheap double-edged kind of dagger thing. So I've ripped the handle off and I've ground it down a bit. Now you can attach that to a length of wood to make it into a spear for a spear trap. Or there's other ways of doing it. You can do some where it drops down, or you could put this onto, if you had a log what dropped down and you wanted to spike, you could have this attached pointing down on it. That's one idea. This is a spoon. This has actually got a fat shaft on it. A spoon which has been flattened and then cut to a point and then sharpened. That you could use as a small spear. If you had a piece of wood what was hollow in the middle, you may be able to just insert this in with a bit of pine pitch or something and have it as a small spear, or as part of a bow trap to point to your arrow. Again, there's another spoon which has been flattened and then cut into shape and sharpened on the edge. Now that's quite a large one, you know, for an arrowhead, but that could be used as an arrowhead for a bow trap. And then this last one was another idea I thought of. Now all this is an Anglo-Arms sheath knife. It's the one that normally has paracord wrapped around the handle. You could keep the paracord around the handle and just use the paracord to bind it on, or take it off and use it, you know, keep it like this. But it's just, once you've took the string handle off, it's just one large, you know, knife blank, I suppose, or well, not large, but a small knife blank. And you could attach that to a stick to make a spear trap out of. I'll put some videos up now of some of the kind of ideas you could do. So like I said, you could make spear traps for large game and use flint points or sharpened sticks, but if you've got stuff like this already in a kit, especially if you had a bug out bag, you add these in there, that gives you the option straight away of making decent large game spear traps or bow traps, and you've got all the the metal hardware to make the most important part. Because the last thing you want to do is have a knife and have to use that, or keep trying to carve wood to make it sharp enough, or stone or whatever. Once you've got these, you're set really, and all you've got to do is build the wooden part. And also you could, if you had elastic, I'll do another video about that, but if you had elastic or springs, you've already got your engines for your traps as well. But I'll see if I can do a whole video about large game trapping kits. So yeah, good ideas to have things like that, or these in a bug out bag, or a survival kit. Alright, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.